Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So I have shopped so much from Nykaa in this Nykaa summer super saver days, and I have huge amount of products here with me, and I want to share it with you guys. Few recommendations for you all to what all things you can buy from their website. They have huge and massive discounts on their website on different products, different brands. You can just go and check them out. It's there till I guess 9th of May. It's the last, I guess, summer super saver days. So I'll give you my recommendation what I have purchased. You can go through it. If you want to buy, you can buy. So without a further ado, let's get dive into the video. Before that, please do like, share and subscribe my video, and please press the bell icon. तो जब भी वीडियो अपलोड होगा तो आपको सबसे पहले मालूम चलेगा कि मैंने वीडियो अपलोड किया. सो लेट्स दिस Garnier wrinkle lift. I have this anti-aging cream. It says it reduces wrinkle and fine lines for visibly firmer looking skin. It cost me around, and they all are on huge discounts, guys. Please check them out. I'll just tell you the original price. How much does it cost me? You can see. Next I bought from their Luxe brand, and that is Laneige lip slipping mask, and I'll show you how does it looks. This is a smaller one. This is the third bottle I purchased from them. I love this. I just love how does it feel on your lips. I just personally love this. Purchased this Nykaa all day matte compact powder, and I bought it for rupees 175 something like that, and this is in the shade Sand 04. I'll show you how does it looks. They have this puff also in this, and this is how it looks from inside. But from Miss Claire, it's their matte power lip color. I'll just show you the swatches, and this is how it looks. This is in the shade 02, and I'll just show you the swatch of this. You can see this is how it looks. Next I have 06. I'll show you the swatch of this as well. Wow, just look at this. They are so affordable, they are so cheap. I mean, this is for, I guess I bought it for 395 rupees, and it's so cheap. And I got free product also. I'll show you. I got this Miss Claire lip cream, and here I'm in the shade 06. Soft matte lip cream, and I'll show you the swatch of this as well. This is the soft matte lips. I bought I bought 3 products from Plum, and it's their Plum Hello Aloe Gel. This is the aloe vera gel, and has 250 grams, and I heard a lot about this aloe vera gel, and I wanted to try this. Next I have Plum Body Loving this body butter. This is also from Plum. It's vanilla vibes, and this is also 200 gram product. I'll show you the inside bottle. It smells amazing, vanilla and chocolate, and love it. Plum, that is, it's lip balm. It's Candy Melts lip balm. It's in the flavor Berry Feast. So this is how it looks. It's very soft and very nice. So after purchasing so many products from Plum, I got this free product from there. This is their green tea mask and refresh summer duo, and they have refreshing face mist and clarifying face mask. They are in collaboration with Nykaa. It's an exclusive bottle. I'll show you the bottle. It has 100 ml face mist and a clear mask of 25 grams. This both is for 610, but this is not for sale. This is the free gift what I have got from Plum. So I'll just show you the mist. This is how the mist looks. It's really nice, and I just love the smell. It smells so refreshing and so nice. Next I have their green tea face mask, clear face mask. I will definitely going to try this and will tell you how does it feel on. Next I bought so many products from K Beauty. I bought their sweet K Beauty matte blush in the shade Sweet Salmon. I bought their matinee lip crayon in the shade Showtime, and I bought this their K Beauty transfer proof smudge proof kajal, and it's in the shade Spade. So I'll show you how does it look. This is how the outer packaging looks like of matte blush, and this is how it looks. It's very buttery, it's very nice, so soft, and it has a very matte texture. And I'll show you the swatch of this, like you can see. Next I have their matte lip crayon in the shade Showtime, and this is how the crayon looks like. I'll show you the swatch of this as well. This is how it looks. This is their kajal. I'll show the swatch of this as well. This is how the kajal looks. It's one stroke kajal, jet black, and I just love the packaging. Like, just see how classy these products look. And after buying all these products, I got this lip topper free, and this is in the shade Starlight. This is how it looks. There's somewhat like Pink Friday sale, and you get combos, you get free products, you get discounts, heavy discounts. So you should definitely try. I have something from Flower Beauty which I have not tried before, any of their products. So I have this Flower Lash Warrior mascara. I have not tried this before. I have to try this. I have heard a lot about this product, so I'm definitely going to try this. It's their Lash Warrior mascara, explosive volume, extreme length, dramatic thickness, and intense definition. I'm definitely gonna try this product. I have this their Flower Beauty Bomb blush, and it's in the shade Cinnamon. I love this color because I have British skin tone, so in British the cinnamon color and something maugey color, nude color blushes looks amazing on your skin tone. So this is how it looks, and I'll just show you the swatch. I really like the tube packaging. It doesn't feel messy, and wow, just look this. So after buying two products from Flower Beauty, and this is their brush, and I got this product free. So I'll show you how does it look. This is how it looks. It's very dense and it's very fluffy. I just love the bristles, so soft. It will not harm your skin, and very nice, very dense. You can see how it looks, and this is how you have to close it. That's it. Easy to carry, easy to travel, easy to take it. One product from Bellora Cosmetics. I heard a lot about this product, and this is their Leave No Evidence liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Hazelnut, and I'll show you the inner packaging. This is how the liquid lipstick looks. It's very the color is really nice, and the outer packaging is also amazing, very stunning. Next I bought from Wet n Wild. It's their Color Icon brow pencil. This is how it looks. They have this brow brush also this side. This is my third pencil. I love this pencil so much. Next I bought this pencil again from Wet n Wild. So I've not got any free products in this, but I got a huge discount on this. This is the white pencil, and I'll just show you the swatch of this. So purchased a lot of things from Nykaa, and I just love their sale. Definitely go and check them out. They have amazing discount. Next I bought from Swiss Beauty. It's their Ultra Base Concealer Palette. Yeah, it's 02. They have a nice color in this. You can see orange, some dark color, and some concealer shades. I have to try this palette, and if you guys want to know the reviews, please let me know on the comment box below. I bought this two metallic liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade Molten Midnight, and this is another one is from Rose Gold Retro, and I'm going to show you the swatches of this. rose gold one. So nice and pigmented. After purchasing this three things from Swiss Beauty, I got their Swiss Beauty roll-on shimmer dust powder. It's in the shade 05 Smoky, and I'll show you how does it look. There is no space. It's very powdery, I feel. Yeah, it's very powdery, but I love the shade. Very nice metallic color. Next, going with some skincare products, I bought this a simple refreshing face wash, and I heard a lot about this product. It has no artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, no soap, no alcohol, no mineral oils, non-animal derived. So it's 100% soap free, kind to skin, for sensitive skin type. It has literally no smell. Next, I have Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. This is also same. This is also for sensitive skin, and no artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals, no alcohol. And this is how the bottle looks like. And yes, no perfume at all. This bio oil dry skin gel, my hands are super dry. I have to order this. This is 50 ml bottle. This is how it looks from inside. It has a gel texture, and I'm definitely tell you, I bought this three soap from Cozy Care. I heard a lot about this product. It's very nice. It has a very light smell. It is for anti-aging, moisturized skin, sunscreen protection, but however I will not use on my skin, but definitely I'm gonna try this for my body. Next up, I have ordered sunscreen, and that is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Block. It's SPF 50 plus, PA+++. It's their ultra light, clean feel, water resistant sunscreen. This is how it looks. Do not apply it and immediately go out, but apply 15 to 30 minutes before and then only leave the house. For hair, I have ordered only one product, and that is their hair mask, because I recently ordered for so many bottles of shampoo and conditioner. So I have L'Oreal Paris shampoo and their conditioner. I have Herbal Essence shampoo and their conditioner. Before this sale only I have ordered, so I didn't order anything for hair. So I just ordered this Dove Intense Damage hair mask. Their 300 ml tub, and I'm definitely gonna try this. I have not tried this product before. So I'll give you, if you want a review on this, please let me know in the comment box below. On to my last brand, that is ELF. I've ordered so many products from them. So I have ordered two primer, that is ELF Poreless Putty Primer, and this is the Luminous Putty Primer. This is good for your pores, and this gives a very luminous texture to your skin. If you guys want review on ELF products, please let me know in the comment box below. I'll give you the review. And next, I have ordered their ELF Lip Exfoliator in the flavor Brown Sugar. It's like a lipstick, and I'll show you how does it look. This is their brown sugar flavor. Wow, smell like butter, shea butter. Next, I have ordered the Camo Concealer Sponge. I heard a lot about this product. Definitely gonna try this. I have ELF Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. This is also I got for rupees 150. Let me know guys if you want a review on this. Next, I have ordered their Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I have ordered eyeliner pen in the shade black. Ordered so many things from ELF. I've ordered their Wow Brow Deep Brown Volumizing Brow Pen. It's very dry. Wow, I like it. It's really nice. The last product I have, it's their ELF Monochromatic Multi-Stick Blush, and this is in the shade Luminous Berry. I'll show you the swatch of this. This is how it looks. So it's not a matte blush, it's a cream blush with lots of shimmer. So if you want to apply this blush, you can directly apply on after foundation. So that's all I have, guys. I hope you like this video, guys. Till then, bye and see you in my next video, guys. Love you.